imagined. For centuries, scientists have been trying to unlock the mysteries of time and space, tirelessly working to understand the very fabric of our universe. Over the years, they have presented us with numerous plausible theories, each building upon the last. Yet now, renowned American physicist Michio Kaku has dropped a bombshell that challenges everything we thought we knew. According to him, scientists have been completely wrong about the nature of time, and it's all due to a revolutionary discovery made possible by the groundbreaking James Webb Space Telescope. But what exactly did the James Webb Space Telescope reveal that led Michio Kaku to this startling conclusion? And how does this discovery leave the scientific community, which has spent decades constructing its understanding of time and space? In this video, we'll dive into the surprising findings of the James Webb Space Telescope and explore why Kaku suggests that time, as we know it, might not even exist. The quest to understand time and space, a revolution in the making for centuries, unraveling the mysteries of time and space has been a top priority for scientists, cosmologists, and physicists. The more we learn about the cosmos, the more we realize how much we still don't know. This insatiable thirst for knowledge led to the creation of advanced scientific tools like the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched on Christmas Day, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is like an upgrade on the Hubble Space Telescope. It's far more powerful, with the ability to peer deeper into space and capture images in unprecedented detail. What makes the James Webb so special? Its infrared capabilities allow it to detect even the faintest stars and galaxies in the farthest reaches of the universe. These ancient and distant celestial bodies were previously hidden from telescopes like Hubble, which lacked infrared technology. By using infrared light, the James Webb Telescope has exposed parts of our universe that were once completely invisible, helping us piece together the puzzle of time and space in ways we never thought possible. The Big Bang Theory and its many mysteries. Much of our scientific understanding of the cosmos is built on the Big Bang Theory. This theory posits that the universe began with a massive explosion about 13.7 billion years ago. While no photos or videos exist of the Big Bang itself, the theory has stood the test of time. After all, there is compelling evidence in support of it: the formation of planets and stars, supernovae creating heavy elements, and, perhaps most notably, the expansion of the universe. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe began as an incredibly dense and hot point and has been expanding ever since. This expansion is thought to continue indefinitely until the universe reaches its ultimate demise, possibly tearing itself apart. For years, the Big Bang Theory has been the cornerstone of cosmology. However, recent images from the James Webb Space Telescope have cast doubt on some of the core principles of this theory. These new findings have sent shockwaves through the scientific community, with some experts now questioning whether the Big Bang Theory is accurate, or if it's even possible at all. The James Webb Telescope, a glimpse into the unknown. So, what exactly did the James Webb Telescope uncover that shook the foundations of the Big Bang Theory? The answer lies in the images it captured of some of the oldest galaxies in the universe. These galaxies appeared to defy everything we knew about the cosmos. Under the lens of the Big Bang Theory, distant galaxies were expected to be far larger than nearby ones, simply due to the way the universe has been expanding. It was thought that as galaxies moved farther apart, they would look increasingly larger. But here's where things got strange. The images from the James Webb Telescope revealed ancient galaxies that were unexpectedly small, smooth, and unlike anything anticipated. To understand why this is such a big deal, imagine this: the universe's expansion is often compared to an expanding balloon, with galaxies moving farther apart as time progresses. As galaxies move away, they should appear to grow in size, particularly the farthest galaxies, which are the oldest. This phenomenon, called redshift, is typically observed with distant galaxies. But the James Webb images showed galaxies that didn't follow this expected pattern. These ancient galaxies were about the same size as the ones closer to us. This was completely unexpected and doesn't align with our understanding of how the universe has been expanding. But the surprises don't stop there. The James Webb images also revealed galaxies that were brighter and denser than our own Milky Way. These galaxies not only had greater luminosity and mass, but they also exhibited much higher redshift values. Redshift is a measure of how light stretches as an object moves away from us, and a higher redshift typically indicates faster movement. Now, to make things clear, the James Webb Telescope wasn't malfunctioning. It wasn't a mistake in calculations. This isn't the first time astronomers have seen this phenomenon. In 2014, the Hubble Space Telescope discovered similar strange findings in galaxies with redshift values as high as 5. But back then, these discoveries were buried because they didn't fit with the prevailing theories. Now, the James Webb Telescope has confirmed and extended these findings, showing galaxies with redshifts as high as 12. This strongly suggests that the universe might not be expanding the way we thought. In fact, it may imply that redshift is simply a function of distance rather than a result of an expanding universe. A crisis for the Big Bang theory. This raises a critical question: if the universe isn't expanding, then does the Big Bang theory still hold water? If the Big Bang never happened, how did the cosmos come into being? And how does this affect our understanding of time itself? The images from the James Webb Space Telescope are forcing scientists to reconsider some of their most fundamental assumptions. For instance, the galaxies it captured don't seem to follow the expected evolutionary patterns. According to the prevailing theories, galaxies should form over billions of years, through a process of collisions and mergers. When smaller galaxies collide, they create larger, more massive galaxies. But the ancient galaxies discovered by the James Webb Telescope appear smooth and undisturbed, as if they hadn't undergone any major collisions. This directly challenges the traditional idea of galactic formation. So, what if these galaxies aren't tiny after all? What if they're just not behaving the way we thought they should? The sheer number of these unexpected galaxies in the James Webb data is making scientists nervous, especially those who have long championed the Big Bang theory. As more evidence piles up, it's becoming increasingly difficult to defend the notion of an expanding universe. Theories of time, a new era of discovery. This isn't just a crisis for cosmology, it's a crisis for our very understanding of time. If the Big Bang never happened the way we thought, then what is time? Could it be that time itself is an illusion? Some theories suggest that time is a human construct designed to help us organize our memories, but that it doesn't truly exist as we understand it. In fact, physicist Albert Einstein himself once proposed that the past, present, and future are all merely illusions, even if stubborn ones. Einstein's theory of relativity already challenged our ideas of time and space, but now, we're faced with new revelations that could shake the very foundation of time itself. Could it be that everything in the universe is happening all at once? Or perhaps time is cyclical, with each now moment simply a snapshot of the greater, timeless whole. One theory that stands out is the idea of a block universe, in which space and time are intertwined, and everything, past, present, and future, exists simultaneously. In this view, time doesn't flow the way we think it does. Instead, all events, whether they have already occurred, are happening right now, or are yet to happen, already have their place in the universe's four-dimensional space-time fabric. Another theory proposes that time doesn't flow at all. Instead, reality is made up of discrete now moments, like frames in a movie reel. According to this idea, our memories create the illusion of a past, but the past itself doesn't really exist. All that exists is the present moment, which we experience as time moves forward. In any case, the revelation from the James Webb Space Telescope is forcing us to revisit our ideas of time and space. It's clear that we've only scratched the surface of understanding the true nature of the cosmos. With groundbreaking tools like the James Webb and new insights from physicists like Michio Kaku, we are standing at the edge of a new era of discovery, one that promises to change our view of the universe forever. Conclusion: time to think bigger. The James Webb Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, but it's only the beginning. As we continue to peer deeper into space and challenge the foundations of our knowledge, one thing becomes clear: time and space may be far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. So, what do you think? Are we on the verge of a new understanding of time, or is there more to the story that we have yet to uncover? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting updates from the world of science and space exploration.